Hi everyone, welcome to my study journey. I'm starting this YouTube channel with the idea in mind of documenting my learning journey. I'm an IT professional and I've been working in the IT industry since 2014 now. As some of you might be already aware, one of the skills necessary to survive and thrive in an IT career, and to be honest in any career, is to always look for ways to improve, even if we're talking about 0.01% a day. In these videos, I'll use a few study techniques and aids that I'll find to be very helpful until now, and they've helped me a lot. One of it is mind maps. What do you see in front of you now? Although it doesn't really look like a mind map for now, but we'll see all the branches expanding. I'm using also Anki that has flashcards, active recall, and spaced repetition wrapped all into one software, free software. Active recall and spaced repetitions are one of the most useful study techniques that have been researched until now. There are loads of YouTube videos about active recall and spaced repetition, and study papers as well, done by lead psychologists who have dedicated their lives, looking into how the brain works, how memory sticks, short-term memory, long-term memory. It's a fascinating subject if you like learning, and it will help you a lot. I'm also using Pomodoro techniques. I'll call it like a learning aid, where I split my study sessions in 25 minutes study and 5 minutes break at the end of the 25 minutes, with a 20 minutes break after the fourth study session, if I'm doing 4 study sessions in a row. And also use background noises. It just helps me with focus. I find it to be helpful. I know some people like listening to music. I just put some background noises like bird noises or rivers or whatever. I'll be talking about the study techniques more if you're interested into future videos. But I'm pretty sure there are other people out there who are doing this better than me. In today's video, I'll be reviewing my Linux Essentials version 1.6 course. Let me open it here so you see what I'm talking about. I've already been going through topic 1, 2, 3, and 4th parts of it. I'll say about half of it. And I'm at the moment at lesson 1 in the Linux operating system topic, and it's called Objective 4.3, where data is stored. I'm currently studying this chapter, and if you're interested in this topic and if you want to follow my learning journey, I won't stop after topic 5. I want to get certified, and then I will probably go into any other courses from Linux, programming. It's an ongoing journey, and I'm very excited. All these things connect and interconnect, and this is not just going to be a one-off, going to topic 5, finish the course, and that's all. So if you'd like to join me during my study process, I'll be more than happy to have you on board with me. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, please leave any comments in the comment section. If you have any suggestions or questions for me, feel free to ask. As you see, this is my first video, so yeah, probably not doing this the best way, but again, even learning the YouTube, how to use YouTube, how to record videos, how to talk. This is super exciting for me, even if I'm not doing it the best way. But yeah, okay, let's jump straight on. So as I said, I'm using a Pomodoro technique timer. So this is from PomoFocus. You just click on start, and the counter goes down. And for background noises, I just use Noises Online. Very, very nice comment. You can combine all these buttons if you want. Usually what I use just like the birds noises. Just reduce the volume a bit and start the PomoFocus. Let's go into my mind maps, and I will be going quiet now. Okay, so literally everything in Linux is a file. Um, as you can see in here, every single thing is a file. I'm making all these notes because I'll be doing flashcards after this, so having all of this in Mindmaps will help a lot in the flashcards process. I've been doing flashcards in various ways, but I found this to be the most helpful way, just because it's visual. It looks like neuron connections, like the way you have two neurons and synapses and everything. So it just helps a lot in the flashcard process and visualizing better than writing in lines. Let's change the format a bit. Just put a relationship between the two. this in yellow. Pretty sure we'll be covering these commands at one point. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what we get. So I have Ubuntu installed on Windows 10. So I can run a few commands from here. It's just super handy. Plus I also have a few. Sorry, I think my computer went down there for a sec. All this path. You can run applications from all this path. Yeah, it's picking Windows 1 just because I have Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu in my Windows machine. Oh yeah, a very useful command. So I'm going to use it here. What I usually do, I take a snapshot. Just put an example in there. Bigger. If you want, we can run this one as well. So we don't have Git installed. We actually have Git installed. There you go. User bin Git. So you know exactly where this is stored. Okay. Loads of information. We need to remember if you see there's a pattern. It's been bin, it's been bin, it's been bin, and opt. SBin is for admins, bin is for all users. SBin for admins, bin is for all users. So I hope you notice the pattern here. Make a purpose category. There you go. We got a notification from Pomodoro Focus. So the Pomodoro timer, then we have 5 minutes left from our study session. So let's create initially 4. it's related to this. Let's see if we can make a connection from here. It's not amazing, but it will do. Okay, time to take a short break. We will continue with this in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So ideally now, I just click start, take a 5 minutes break, and we will continue with video number 2. I know it's a long process. Feel free to fast forward it, or yeah, if you want, sit along with me. This is how I study. Some of them are faster, some of them are slower. Just lots of information in here. It's good to have it written. It's good to have it spread like this. It's very easy to see it visually. I'll be creating a few flashcards of this. At the end of each chapter, they're like useful questions. So it will actually ask you where all of this is saved. It's good to know this information. And you see, in the long run, if you want to learn Linux, this will be very helpful, very helpful. So yeah, let's see where I was. I am here. So I'll be stopping the recording now, and I will continue from